J. Cole, the best DJ ever. J. Cole, best DJ ever. When you place J. Cole in the mix, he makes the good times better. He knows how to bring the best out of his crowd. When he plays his songs, all the girls get loud. J. Cole, best DJ ever. When you place J. Cole in the mix, he makes the good times better. He just brings a good time wherever he goes. I've seen him live and at various shows. DJing is an art that can't be conquered by all. That's why when the DJ is coming, everyone stands tall. Everyone knows the good times are about to roll. J. Cole knows the beats. He picks everyone's favorite songs. A party is not the same without the right DJ. So shout out to J. Cole for making his way. Talented, true, he delivers the best for you. J. Cole, best DJ ever. When you place J. Cole in the mix, he makes the good times better. Crowd pleasing, girl teasing, a people person is what he is. Line dances, swing out prances. J. Cole has you covered. Hire J. Cole today. Events for kids.
What's up, J. Cole?
What's up, J. Cole? Events for kids, teens, grown-ups, and even mothers. J. Cole.
J. Cole.